Previously, we learnt how to add customers to your account manually. However, this can be very time-consuming if you have a lot of data to enter. In this module, learn how to import customers to your Tidy account in bulk. Head to Import/Export under Global Settings. Here, the 6 tabs show data areas that you can import and export in bulk. Go to the Customers tab to do a bulk import of customers. Download the empty template by clicking Template CSV file. Open this file on your device to edit it. You can type in your customer information or paste it from another source. There are 5 mandatory fields. These are the customer name, code, country, currency, and contact first name. Your codes can comprise of numbers, uppercase letters, hyphens, and/or dashes up to 10 characters long. In the country column, enter the full name of a country as it appears in Tidy. Make sure you have set up this country in your account beforehand. In the currency column, enter the 3-letter ISO code of a currency as it appears in Tidy. Make sure you have set up this currency beforehand. Along with the required first name, you can optionally add a last name, phone number, and email to your contact person's details. Once you have filled out all the required fields and any optional fields, save your spreadsheet document, then go back to Tidy. Select Choose File to upload the spreadsheet we've just created, then click Import Customers. You can also select Auto Map Customers to Zero to sync these customers to your Zero account. If we go to our list of customers now, the 3 new customers we've imported have appeared.